Going to a birthday party in America. What to say in English. Real-life social English conversation practice. Hi there. Welcome back to another real-life American English lesson. Today you're going to learn how Americans talk at a birthday party. Birthday parties are very common social events in the US. You meet friends, you give gifts, you make small talk, and you meet new people in a relaxed environment. But if English is not your first language, you might feel unsure about what to say. So today you'll practice natural English phrases for arriving at a party, greeting the host, giving gifts, making small talk, and meeting new people. These are real expressions Americans use in social situations. So listen carefully, repeat every sentence out loud, and practice speaking naturally. Let's begin. Arriving at the party. Hey, happy birthday! Thank you so much for coming. Of course, I wouldn't miss it. Wow, this place looks amazing. Thanks, I'm really glad you could make it. It was easy to find. Good, come on in, make yourself at home. Giving the gift. I got you a little something. Oh wow, you didn't have to. Thank you so much. It's nothing big, just a gift card to that bookstore you like. No way, that's actually perfect. You know me too well. I try. Where should I put this? The gifts go on the table by the door. Got it. Here you go. Thanks again. That really means a lot. Talking about the party. This is a really nice place. Thanks. We just moved in recently. It's beautiful. I love the decoration. Yeah, my partner helped with most of it. It looks great. How many people are coming? A mix of co-workers and some college friends. That sounds fun. Yeah, it should be a good mix of people. I'm excited to meet everyone. You will. Everyone here is pretty friendly. That's always good. Getting drinks. Can I get you something to drink? Sure, what do you have? We've got soda, juice, beer, and some cocktails. I'll have a soda for now. Perfect, I'll grab that for you. Thanks, the kitchen is right over there if you need anything. Got it, this is really relaxed. Yeah, we like keeping things casual. That's my kind of party. Meeting new people. Hey, I don't think we've met yet. Hi, I'm Michael. Nice to meet you. I'm Sarah. Are you a friend of the host? Yeah, we work together. Oh, nice. How do you know them? We're college friends. That's cool. How are you liking the party so far? It's great. Everyone's really friendly. Yeah, that's what I love about these gatherings. Definitely, it's easy to meet new people. Talking about food and fun. Have you tried the cake yet? Not yet. Is it good? It looks amazing. I heard it's homemade. Even better. I'm definitely saving room for that. Good idea. It's hard not to eat everything at once. I know, I already had way too many snacks. Same here. Ending the conversation. Well, I'm going to say hi to a few more people. Of course, it was really nice meeting you. You too, enjoy the rest of the party. Thanks, and happy birthday again. Thank you, glad you came. See you around. Definitely. Fast shadowing practice. Hey, happy birthday! Thank you so much for coming. I got you a little something. You didn't have to. Where should I put this? The gifts go on the table by the door. This is a beautiful place. Make yourself at home. Drinks are in the kitchen. Who else is here? A few co-workers and college friends. I can't wait to meet everyone. Excellent work today. Now you know how to confidently speak English at a birthday party in America, using natural, real-life phrases. And remember, social English is not about perfect grammar. It's about being friendly, natural, and relaxed in conversations. The more you practice real situations like this, the more confident you will become in real life. So replay this lesson, repeat every sentence out loud, and practice until it feels natural. That's how real fluency is built, one conversation at a time. If this lesson helped you, subscribe for more real-life American English conversations. Comment "Birthday done" if you practice today. And tell me what lesson you want next. Coffee shop conversations? Uber taxi English? Hotel conversations? Office English? Airport conversations? Keep practicing every day, and I'll see you in the next lesson.